Hello students, in this video we are going to learn how to factorize the algebraic expression. This is chapter 14 class 8. So there are three methods to factorize. First is by taking common, second is by regrouping, and the third is using algebraic identities. So today we are going to learn first method, that is taking common. So here you can see I have written first question of exercise 14.1 question 2 first part. This I have written. So I have to factorize this expression. So here we need to make factor of each term. Like 4 to 7, how you can write 7x? You can write 7 into x. For 42 you can take the help of prime factorization. Like here I am taking, or you can do it orally also. So here I have got 2 into 3 into 7. Orally how? Like in for 42, what comes to your mind when you read the table? You get 6 into 7. So 6 factors are 2 into 3 into 7. So all these are factor of 42. Now we will see what is common here. You can see this 7 is here and here. So this 7 is common. You can circle this also so that you could recognize easily that you have to take common 7. So if I am taking common 7, what is left here? X. Then whatever is sign you will write as it is. You won't make any changes. Minus. Then 7 again we have taken. This 7 is common. Dono se le liya, that is common. So what is left here? 2 3s are 6. So this now these are two factors of this algebraic expression. Now similarly second question. Here for 6 you can write 2 into 3 into p. For 12 very easily you can write orally 2 into 2 into 3 into q. So this 2 is common in both ends. And what else? Yes, 3 is also on both sides. Now what else we can take common? Nothing. So 2 into 3 we have taken common. So what is left here? P minus 2 here is left and Q is left. So 2 3s are 6 into P minus 2Q. So this is first factor, this is second factor. Now we come to next question. So here 7a square. A square means we can write a into a. Whatever is par, how many times? That many times you have to write that number. If par is 2, you will write 2 times. Similarly for 14, 2 into 7 into a. Now we will see the common. Yes, 7 is common. And what else is here? Yes, a is also common. So 7a we have taken common. So what is left here? A plus 2. So these two are factors of this expression. Now we move to next question, that is our fourth part. So before doing this question, just learn one thing, that if you have one minus sign becomes when we multiply 1 plus and 1 minus, or minus into plus. So whenever a minus sign is there means it has two. एक माइनस के अंदर दो साइन होते हैं, एक माइनस का एक प्लस का. But whenever there is a plus sign, that means it has two minus sign. इसके अंदर दो माइनस के होते हैं. अगर हमने एक ले भी लिया then one will be left inside. So here first we will factorize the terms. So for 16 we have 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into z, and for 20 2 into 2 into 5, and zq means z into z into z. So as I told you, this minus has two things inside, that one is plus, one is minus. If I take this minus outside, that means it will become प्लस, बिकॉज टू साइन इट हैज. इस माइनस के अंदर दो साइन थे, एक प्लस एक माइनस. अगर हमने माइनस ले लिया, व्हाट इज लेफ्ट हियर? प्लस. सो यू कैन लीव प्लस आल्सो, कि अगर आप प्लस नहीं लिखना चाहते तो इट्स ओके. अगर लिखना है तो यहाँ पे लिख भी सकते हैं. नाउ टेकिंग कॉमन 2, yes, this 2 we are taking common. One more 2 we can take common, and one z we can take common. So here what is left? 2 into 2, 4. नाउ इट इज प्लस. प्लस मीन्स आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू, प्लस के अंदर दो माइनस छुपे होते हैं. अगर हमने एक माइनस बाहर ले लिया कॉमन, यस दिस माइनस वी हैव टेकन कॉमन, सो व्हाट इज लेफ्ट हियर, माइनस. दो टू हमने ले लिए, सो व्हाट इज लेफ्ट हियर, 5. 2 times z means z square. So what we have taken common, 2 into 2 into z. So what is left here, minus 4z into 4 minus 5z square. These are our two factors. So this is very important thing कि जब भी कॉमन आपको लेना है, अगर आपको माइनस कॉमन लेना है तो माइनस वाली टर्म जो है प्लस बन जाएगी और प्लस वाली जो है माइनस, या आप ऐसे याद कर लो कि इनके साइन चेंज हो जाते हैं. ठीक है. नाउ नेक्स्ट वी हैव 20 lm. So for 20 we have 2 into 2 into 5. L square means we have 2 times L into m. For 30 we have 2 into, like you can make the factor of 30. 6 into 5 is 30. For 6 we can write 2 into 3 into 5. So 2 into 3 into 5 into a into L into m. So what is common here? This 2 is common. Yes, now this 5 is common. And what else is here? Yes, L is common. Then we have m is common. This was a rough work. So we have taken 2 into 5 into L into m. So what is left here? 2L plus. Now what is left here? 3 and a. So 2 5s are 10 lm we have taken common. So what is left here? 2L plus 3a. So these are its factor. Now we move to next part. It's very simple. 5 into x into x into y minus 3 into 5 into x into y into y. Now taking common, yes, this 5 is common. Now 1x is common at both ends we have, and y is also common. So 5xy we have taken common. So what is left here? X minus whatever sign is there you will put. If you are not taking common, माइनस है तो माइनस लगा देंगे, प्लस है तो प्लस लगा देंगे. So what is left here? 3y. So this we have taken common. Now in next part, minus 4 को हम लेंगे 2 into 2 into a into a plus again 4ab 2 into 2 into a into b minus, you can directly take common 4 also क्योंकि every term has 4 with it. So आप सीधा 4 भी common ले सकते हैं. And similarly with, if minus is with first term, you will take minus also common. So what is left here? 2 into 2, 4 we have taken. So what is left here? A square. These two we have taken common with everyone. And yes, a is also common here. Here, here and here. So we will take a also common. So what is left here with a? And we have taken minus common also. So its sign will change. It will be minus. What is left here? B. And what is left here? C. And don't forget to change the sign. It will be plus. So these are its factor. Similarly, you can make for next part.